Mayor, isingit ko na rin po yung naging paghahanda po ninyo para matiyak na payapa at ligtas din itong paggunita po ng papasok. Ito nga pong Holy Week na, pagpasok ng Holy Week dyan po sa Maynila.
We already implemented this morning our plan to give medical assistance through our MDRRMO and MHD and police this morning, no? Para yung 49 sites namin all over the city may proper installation ng team ng city government for sa any eventualities. Particularly medyo mainit na ngayon, baka maraming mahilo o magkasakit, nandyan yung ating mga emergency workers and doctors. And for purposes of peace and order, the MPD is given direction this morning to be present in our facilities or areas na kung saan nandoon yung ating local government installation.